Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make these crochet wind spinners. Okay, so I'll show you how to make the tassel at the end. You can use any yarn, so I'm using cotton, but you can use acrylic as well, and you can use just one color or two. A 4mm crochet hook, a pair of scissors, and a yarn needle. Okay, so it only takes 3 rows to make this. To start, make a slip knot. And you want to chain 101. Okay, so I just count in lots of 5. Okay. You just keep going until you have 101. Okay, you can make your wind spinner longer or shorter if you like as well. So once you've chained your 101, skip the last chain that you made, and you want to put 1 single crochet in each chain all the way back down. Okay, so skip that one there and put your hook in the second one, yarn over and pull through. So you have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through both loops. Okay, so just 1 single crochet in each stitch. Okay, so I'm going to continue to single crochet, and I'll meet you at the end. Okay, so now I'm at the end of my first row. If you want to continue with the same color, chain 1 and turn to start the next row. If you want to change colors, chain 1 with your next color. Cut your first color and tie a knot with the 2 ends. And you can hide the tails later. And to start your next row, you just need to turn your work, and we're going to put 2 half double crochets in each stitch. So you want to yarn over, go into the first stitch, yarn over and pull it through the stitch, so you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Okay, so there's 1, yarn over, back into the same stitch, yarn over, pull it through the stitch, so you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Okay, so it's 2 half double crochets in each stitch. Okay, so again it's yarn over into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the stitch, so you have your 3 loops, yarn over, pull through all 3, yarn over, go into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through, you have 3 loops, yarn over and pull through all 3. Okay, 2 half double crochets in each stitch, and you'll start to see it curl up. Okay, so I'll probably hang this one outside my daughter's playhouse. Okay, so keep going along your chain, making 2 half double crochets in each stitch until you get all the way back to the other end. And then I will show you how to start the next row. Okay, so it's already starting to curl up. Okay, here's how it looks after our second row. So the first row was single crochets, and the second row is 2 half double crochets in each stitch, and it's starting to curl up. For your next row you can change color again, but I'm just going to keep it the same. So chain 2 and turn your work, and we're going to put 2 double crochets in each stitch all the way down. So yarn over, go into your first stitch, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the last 2. Okay, make another double crochet in the same stitch, yarn over, go into the same stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through the last 2. Okay, so 2 double crochets in each stitch. 1, 2. Alright, so I'm going to finish this row and I'll show you how it looks, and then I'll show you how to make a tassel for the end. Okay, so this is how it looks after I've finished. You just want to chain one and then cut your yarn, cut a long tail and pull it through. And then you just want to untwist all of this so it's like this one. Okay, and I'll use this long tail to attach it to a tree or a playhouse. And the next thing you want to do is add a tassel. Okay, to make the tassel you just want to wrap some yarn around your hand. Okay, once you have enough, just cut the end and pull it off your hand. I'm going to thread another piece of yarn through the center. And tie a knot. Next I'm just going to cut through all of these, through all of this. Okay, and you can tidy it up a bit. And then I'm going to tie one more piece of yarn around here. Okay, and you can just attach it to the end. Okay, so that's how it looks at the end. Here's the red one. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.